Imagine a world where flights are never delayed. AI is making this a reality by optimizing flight schedules, ensuring planes take off and land on time. It's a game changer for airlines and passengers alike. AI-driven predictive maintenance is revolutionizing aircraft upkeep. By anticipating issues before they arise, airlines can keep planes in top condition, reducing downtime and enhancing safety. It's a win-win for everyone involved. AI is streamlining security checks, making them faster and more efficient. Say goodbye to long lines and hello to a smoother travel experience. It's all about getting you to your destination quicker. Baggage handling is no longer a hassle thanks to AI. With advanced tracking systems, your luggage is always where it should be. It's peace of mind for travelers and efficiency for airports. Leading airlines like Delta and Emirates are at the forefront of AI innovation. Delta's AI-driven baggage tracking system has significantly reduced lost luggage incidents, while Emirates uses AI to enhance customer service and streamline operations. AI personalizes your travel experience with tailored recommendations. From seat selection to meal choices, everything is customized to your preferences. It's like having a personal travel assistant at your fingertips. Stay informed with real-time flight updates and notifications powered by AI. Never miss a gate change or delay again. It's all about keeping you in the loop and stress-free. Airlines are harnessing AI to personalize your journey. From customized in-flight entertainment to meal preferences, AI ensures a seamless experience. Discover how AI-driven customer service is setting new standards in passenger satisfaction. AI has transformed airlines and airports, making travel more efficient and enjoyable. As we look to the future, the possibilities are endless. Embrace these innovations for a better travel experience. Join us in embracing AI-driven innovations. By staying informed and open to change, you can enjoy a seamless travel experience. Let's make the skies friendlier and more efficient together. Ready to embrace AI in your business? Contact Impalabic for a personalized consultation and services.